Hey guys, it's Jackie Jean, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve a 90s style blowout look with just a round brush and a hairdryer. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I did was section my hair with the back end of my hairbrush. The brush I used in this video is from Aimike, and it is their round blowout brush in the medium size. There's also a smaller one if you want a more defined curl, and there's a larger one if you want more volume. I'm just starting with the bottom section of my hair, making sure it's thoroughly brushed so we don't have any tangles. Using a concentrator for this is going to be really helpful to make sure that all of the air from your blow dryer is going directly onto your hair. I got my hair a little damp. You might have to get it more damp if you have more wavy or curly hair. And then I put the brush right at the top of my hairline. Really slowly just twisting it inwards and pulling down with a really light amount of force as I finish out that curl. I did this all around my head, and then I'm just doing 3 sections of hair. You might have to do some more if you have thicker hair. I'm repeating that same motion, just brushing downwards and curling at the bottom. It also helps if you brush back through the hair just to kind of define those curls and smooth out the whole thing. Then moving on to the final section of hair, you're actually going to want to start in the back for this. For the front pieces, we're actually curling them away from our face, taking that section from just behind the ear and twisting it back away from the face, all the way out to the end. It should give this little flick out that looks really pretty. And then just for the face framing layers, we're pulling those forward and curling them directly back. You might want to kind of roll it back up like I did to get a stronger curl. Then you're just gonna let that loose and kind of place it how you want your part to be and brush back through it to really smooth it out and define those curls on the end. Make sure you're following the line of what you did with the dryer so that you're not accidentally uncurling it, and then you're finished. I think this looks super cute. It's very vintage 90s vibe and just a cute everyday look. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.